What's up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So today's video is for all of you guys out there that is still really struggling with product research. You've been going through Amazon up and down, you've been using the latest software like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, etc., and you just can't come across a product for you to potentially source from China and sell on Amazon. It is also a video for you guys that are working on a very low budget, on a low budget like £500–600, and think this is way too low. I need to save up more money to sell on Amazon. I need to have at least a couple of £1,000 because there's no other way for you to get started. So on today's video, what I wanted to do is kind of put myself back into your shoes, okay? And let's say I'm working with a very low budget, and how would I come up with some product research ideas that is actually outside of Amazon, okay? Because what is important here is the fact that you start realizing that you can pretty much bring in any product there is from China to Amazon, okay? It's kind of like when you're looking to buy a new car. Okay, when you're buying a new car, and let's say you want to look for an Audi, okay, you're looking for Audi, you're looking for different models, you're looking through different cars to get whatever, but it's Audi, okay? Now, what you're going to realize is that whenever you go on a street, whenever you go to work, whatever, you're going to start seeing that model and those cars a lot more often. That is exactly what I want you to do to focus your mind for Amazon product research. Wherever you go, whatever you do, always think about, can I improve this? Can I make this better? Can I introduce this? What are the sales for this particular product? That is how my mind has been working over the last 2 years, and majority of my best selling products has actually come out not from doing the research on Jungle Scout and Helium 10, but actually from my own brain. I've came across this particular product and thought, okay, this could be done a little bit better. This doesn't look too nice. The design could be improved. I speak to the Chinese suppliers, and then we make it happen. So what I wanted to do today is just show you a few websites and just a few ideas for you to potentially get into yourself. So let's get to it. I came across a news article on BBC that actually says that the eye makeup has increased in sales. Now, majority of you would probably just skip past this article and not even think twice, but straight away I put myself into your shoes and thought to myself, how is eye makeup and mascaras and various other things doing on Amazon? Have the sales increased? Is it something that I could potentially bring in to sell on Amazon myself? And that is the mindset that you guys need to have as well, because as you can see here, it actually says very easily that eye makeup has been taking a much larger portion of prestige cosmetic sales during the lockdown, and that's purely because the lips and the face is hidden behind the mask, etc. So there's a good reason for mascara that has gone up in sales in terms of price. And think about it, you are looking as a brand new seller which doesn't have too much income and don't have too much budget. This is the kind of product that you're looking for. It's nice, it's simple, you can easily afford 400–500 units of this particular product, because in China they're quite cheap. You can easily get one for 50, 60, 70p each. So 500 of those units are probably going to set you back between 350 to 400 pounds. So let's have a look, how well are they selling on Amazon? And if you go on to type in mascara on Amazon and just type in Helium 10 reviews, look at them through reviews, and you can actually have a look that a lot of products are actually making thousands and thousands in revenue, 25,000, 9,000. There are so many products that are above £1,000 in revenue. What's exactly stopping you from bringing in a brand new mascara of your own and selling it on Amazon? As you can see, average price £6.71. So let's say you buy a mascara for 60–70p, and let's say you sell it for £4.99, you will easily be able to double your money at the very least, if not more. Now, as you can see also on the first page, the revenue is £198,000. That's how much in total all of these products are making on a monthly basis. That is a very good amount to start off with. Now, you might be thinking, Ben, look at the average reviews. It's 1,500 average reviews for every single product. Okay, fair enough, that's absolutely fair point, but that usually is what happens with very well selling products. But what's stopping you then from just closing this and just putting in space and seeing what else people are looking for? mascara wands or mascara different color, brown, black volume and length, brushes, Royale, 4D or something else. That's when you should start looking into this niche and thinking about what are people looking for, what are people complaining about, what kind of mascara is out there, what would we sell and what would be not as competitive. That is the mindset I want you to get, because at the end of the day, you can introduce any product there is from China onto the UK marketplace. And that got me thinking, if mascara is one of these products that you can potentially bring in that's relatively cheap, are there any other products that have increased in terms of sales over the last few months that you guys could potentially bring in too? And within 5 minutes of just googling products that have increased in sales over the coronavirus, I came across a list here on Oberlo, which has come out a couple of months ago now, but these are the highest selling products right now, and it comes up with very, very good ideas for you to potentially look into, of products that have been the biggest increase in sales over the last few years. And as you can see, for example, LED strip lights. Again, it's exactly the same thing. Relatively simple product. It might be a bit more difficult and a bit more expensive because it's an electrical product with an app, I see, and various other things. But it's something for you to potentially look into. See what the sales are doing. See what the reviews are. What are people complaining about? And then speak people in China. Resistance bands, again, I mean, have a look. They even got Google Trends on here for you. Look how much the resistance bands have increased. Now you don't want to bring in a brand new resistance band that is exactly the same as all the others, but see if there are any different ones, different design, different make, different functionality or anything. There are so many products out there that are being rediscovered or changed up or made better all the time. Mesh Dog or Baby Gate, because more people are now working from home and need their own space. What's to stop you from bringing these sort of products? It just requires some time and effort to come through, and look through all these products. Some of them may be a bit more difficult, like for example, a smartwatch, which will be a lot more expensive and you don't know if they're going to work properly, and a bit more risky. But there are so many that will be quite cheap. I mean, folding fishnet, that doesn't sound too complicated. That doesn't sound too expensive. All you need to do now is check, what are the Google Trends? What are the revenues like? What are people looking for? What are people complaining about? And that's it. You really, really have to have in the mindset of, I can bring in anything I want from China. And you always have to think about, what are people looking for? How can I make this product better? Don't just resort to Helium 10 Jungle Scout all the time and that's it, nothing else. Have a look around. What else is selling? What else is out there? Look on the internet in general. What's selling on various other websites? Might not even be Amazon, might be eBay or something else, and then you'll be amazed how many ideas you will come up with very, very quickly. I mean, stretchy silicone lids. I mean, there's nothing that can go wrong with this product. I don't know how well it's selling, but I'm sure the sales are absolutely decent. It wouldn't cost much to bring it into Amazon from China. What's stopping you from buying a few hundred products like this and, taking the risk, so to speak, with your first product? And then once you have a few products along the way, then you can go on to more complicated electrical products and stuff. So in this video, within 10 minutes or so, I was able to come up with a few ideas for you to research and to look into further. It's really not that difficult to come up with ideas. The difficult part is making sure you find the right product that people will be searching for and they are looking for, and something that nobody else is bringing out in the market. That is where the money is at. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys found this useful. If you are struggling with product research, if you do need any help, please don't forget to comment below and I'll try and help you out as much as I can. If you do want to see more videos like this as well, with various ideas, various ways of making money on Amazon, then please don't forget to subscribe and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.